Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to talk about the list in Python. So we're going to cover these four topics: declaring the list, accessing the values in list, updating list, and delete the list element. So just start out with the declaring the list. So let me just write the name of our first list, which
is subject, and enter, and these square brackets. Let me just put the values in our square brackets. Alright,
this is our first list. In the second list, that would be number,
and I would like to add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Alright, this is
enough. Now what we will be doing is accessing the values in the list. So just print out, I want to access chemistry from our subject list. So I would write the subject here and index value of the chemistry, so it is 2. Okay, and from the second list I want to print out 50. Yeah, so what is the index value of the 50, which is 4.
okay.
4. Just print out these things, so you can see that chemistry and the 50 are printed out here. Okay, what if I want to display the range of the values, like I want to display from physics to chemistry, and in the second list I want to display from 30 to 50. So how could I do that? How that is possible? All you need to do is you have to add the colon between the index values of your range. To display the range, what you need to do here is to write the index value of your first element of that range. Okay, for the subject list I want to print out from biology to the math, so the index value of the biology is 1. All right, and there is a trick here in the last value of your range. Okay, I want to print out to the math. All right, and we know the index value of the math is 3. But what you need to do here, you have to write and the index value of the last element, but you also have to add one more to that index value. For suppose if I want to print out from biology to math, so let me just show you here with the example. And 0. Okay, I want to print out from 10 to 40, that would be 3. So let me just show you here. Okay, you can see now that it doesn't display the last value of the range, which was math, and in case of the number it was 40. So all you need to do here, if you print out the last value, your last value of the range, whichever you want, okay, so you would have to add 1 to the index value of that element. Okay, if you want to include the last element of your range, you have to add 1 to the index value of the last element of that range. So the last element of the range is math here, and what I need to do to include this in the range, you have to add 1 here, and in the case of 40 you have to 1 add here as well, and these last values would be included. You can see now math and 40, so you can now write it as a 4. And okay, this is working fine. Okay, so accessing the value in the list is done. Now we have to update the values. Okay, updating the values, it won't be that hard. Okay, 1, print out the 1, and okay, in the subject list at index value number 1, the value is biology, but I want to update it, so I would be updating it like my subject, and index value of the value which we want to update is 1, and I will give it the value here, which is going to be, what should you write here, computer. Yeah, we are good to go, I guess. Now let me just print out our new value, updated value. Okay, so are we good here? Yeah, let me just clean this out. Okay, you can see the updated value of the subject computer. Okay, now let me just print out our list. Now you can see that our list is updated, so we don't have the biology anymore, and instead of that we have the computer in our list, which we have updated here. So updating the list is done. Okay, the last topic of our video, which is pretty delete the list element. Okay, I want to delete out the chemistry from the subject list. So how can I do that? Okay, first I want to print out the list subject. Alright, then I want to delete. For the delete you have to write the del. Now what do you want to delete? Subject chemistry. You have to write the index value of the chemistry, which is 0 1 2, and print out the subject again. Now you can see that okay, our value from the subject list, which was the chemistry, is deleted from our list. Okay, in the same way, if you just want to delete the 20 from the number list, you will do the same thing here. Just copy and paste this code, change the list name, and delete and number, and I want to delete 20 from the list, so I want to print out the whole list. So okay, now you can see now that I have deleted the 20 from our number list, and from the subject list I have deleted chemistry. Alright, so all four topics of our video is are completed now, and this is all for this video. If you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.